Bybit just launched the second version of their decentralized exchange called Apex Omni. That is a version later than Apex Pro. Guys, this might be the best solution for every single one of you that is living in a restricted country that cannot use Bybit to switch over to a decentralized exchange. In today's video, we are going to go over all of the features that Apex Omni is offering, and I'm going to show you how to use this exchange. So guys, let's jump straight into it. Data shows that more and more traders are starting to choose decentralized exchanges. To create an account over on Apex Exchange, you can go to the Apex Exchange website. I have a link down below in the description. They give a similar deposit bonus as you get with Bybit, up to $30,000. There are two options that you can choose once you arrive at the Apex website. That is Trade Pro or Trade Omni. And of course, the Trade Pro is the first version of the Apex Exchange. I'm using this one pretty often. I very much love it, but in today's video we are going to have a look at the Omni, the second version. So therefore you click on Trade Omni, that will bring you to the following page, which basically looks pretty similar as to the Apex Pro interface, but also really similar to Bybit's trading interface. And right now, to create an account, we have to connect our wallet. These are the wallet types that you can connect with this decentralized exchange. We are going to do MetaMask. That's by far the most easiest one. Here you can just connect your MetaMask account and your account is created. To open any trade, we need to deposit funds. Therefore, you click right here on your wallet address, you click on deposit, and now we need to deposit from MetaMask into our Apex account. And we do that on the Ethereum chain using US dollar Tether. We just put everything that we have in our wallet right here. That's 95 US dollar Tether. Confirm deposit. Now we gotta assign that over on MetaMask. Deposit submitted. Once it's confirmed on the blockchain, we can use it in our Apex. And if you wonder if I really changed my clothes during this recording, yes I did, and I don't know why. So guys, the money is in the bank, but we need to transfer it to perpetual contract trading. Therefore we click right here on transfer. Then we go from spot to perpetual, US dollar Tether, everything, confirm transfer. And now we can basically use the available margin, 95 US dollar Tether, wow, for our trading. And guys, first of all, before we are going to open a trade, I'm just going to show you the difference between Apex Pro and Apex Omni in terms of interface. This is Apex Pro, this is Apex Omni. So as you can see, both are looking very, very similar. The interface is actually almost the same. The only difference is a couple of things which I will dive into later into this video, but the main difference right now is that the amount of leverage you can use on Apex Omni is more than that you can use on Apex Pro. And the biggest difference is, of course, that Apex Pro works mostly with USDC, Apex Omni mostly with US dollar Tether. If you want to open a trade, let's just open a trade on Bitcoin. Let's do a long position. We select our leverage 20x. We do 100% of our equity, which is roughly 92 US dollar Tether. We click on buy long, confirm, and we are in a trade. It's that easy, guys. It might even be a more simple, more easy understandable system than Bybit itself. And I really think that more and more traders are going to shift from exchanges like Bybit or other centralized exchanges to a decentralized exchange, because it's just so easy to use and you are in complete control as the trader. You just connect your wallet, you start trading. When you make profits, you can just withdraw it to your wallet, direct, instant, and that's basically how it works. When we go down, we can see our position, a Bitcoin, a long position, 20x, with the quantity, value, entry price, and so on. You can add a stop loss or take profit, like with other exchanges. If you want to close this, we can just close this directly with a market order, and we are out of our trade. It's really straightforward, guys. So guys, what is the main difference between Apex Pro and Apex Omni? I got all the bullet points right here. Let's just go over them and you can see exactly what's basically the difference. And well, here you can see Apex Omni, we're starting already with the leverage. Bitcoin and Ethereum, you can use a leverage of up to 100x. With Apex Pro, you can only use a 50x. Altcoin trading pairs, you can use a 50x on Omni, but on Pro you have a 25x on altcoins. Then you can see that on Omni Omni, it's more supporting US dollar Tether pairs, and on Apex Pro, you can basically choose USDC or US dollar Tether. However, USDC is definitely more used. It's more the base currency for Apex Pro, while Apex Omni is more going to work around US dollar Tether. The trading fees is different right now still, but it's going to change, so it's not that different, to be honest. But right now you have 0% maker fees on Omni. Well, that is going to change from the 15th of September, so probably when you watch this, the fees will be the same as Apex Pro. This is really similar to other exchanges, and I would say it's maybe even leaning more to the lower side of the fee structure than to our higher side. Some exchanges even use, for example, for Taker 0.06%. Then let's go to the product lineup, guys. This is where it becomes interesting, because Spot coming soon, it's not yet available, but there will come on Apex Omni a multi-chain spot swap, much like on centralized exchanges. Users who have funds in their funding accounts will be able to conduct multi-chain spot swaps. So this makes it very easy for you to, for example, when you use Uniswap, you can just flip your Ethereum to US dollar Tether or your US dollar Tether to Ethereum. This will be possible on Apex Omni as well. On the spot market, this will not be possible on, for example, Apex Pro. So guys, the next one is very interesting, and that is the vaults. And vaults is just a different word for copy trading. So as a skilled trader, you can basically set up strategies which investors can follow, right? And you can earn, if you make money for those investors, you can earn 10% of the revenue, and the investors, they get the revenue or the earnings as well. Similar as how it works with copy trading, but it's very unique because this is copy trading on a decentralized exchange. And as you can see, this will not be supported by Apex Pro as well. So as you can see right here, a lot of futures already are really going into in the Omni version and will not be available on the Apex Pro version. Then they're going to have a pre-launch market, which is just a expensive word for that you can trade altcoins that are not listed on famous centralized exchanges. Then the liquidity. Apex Omni is going to use CK Link for liquidity, and that sounds all very expensive, but what it basically does is CK Link is a third party that combines liquidity pools from different platforms and apps where Apex can tap into. That increases the liquidity for the Apex decentralized exchange and will give a smoother experience to the trader. Then we have Apex Social Points, and this is just an incentive for users to use the platform more, because whenever you trade, refer, or check in on the website, you can earn certain points, and that points can open certain boxes that have potential real-life prizes such as iPhones, Vision Pros, and even a Lambo. So this is just a marketing strategy, of course, to increase the trading volume, to have users check in onto the platform. And this is really similar as to the trade to earn function on Apex Pro, where you can actually get banana tokens as a reward. Then we have cross collateral, and this might be very interesting for traders. And as you can see, this is also coming soon, so it's not live yet, but you can basically use various cryptos. So you can use stablecoins, but maybe also Ethereum, Binance token as your margin. So you can use your tokens combined and then open trades on Bitcoin. So let's say you have a couple of BNB, you have a couple of US dollar Tether, you have a couple of Ethereum. You can combine that collateral and open long positions or short positions on Bitcoin using this basket of tokens that you basically have as collateral. I find that very interesting. And one more big difference, guys, is that on the Apex Omni exchange, you can get a deposit bonus up to 30,000 US dollars, the same as you can get normally on Bybit. This was not possible on Apex Pro. If you like to join Apex Omni, join with the affiliate link down below, so you are able to get a deposit bonus of up to 30,000 US dollars. So guys, this was basically the main differences from Apex Pro version 1 of Bybit's decentralized exchange, and Apex Omni, the version 2, that is already live right now with a lot of products that are coming soon. Let me know in the comment section, first of all, if you have any questions. Second of all, let me know what you think of it. Do you think that decentralized exchanges will gain even more popularity in 2024 and 2025? Or do you think that people will go back to centralized exchanges? Or might it not even be possible with all the regulations that are coming? Guys, let me know in the comment section down below. If you learned anything from this video, make sure to leave a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to do so. If you want to see the tutorial about Apex Pro, you can check that one out. I have a link in the description down below as well. I want to wish every single one of you a beautiful day, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.